Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going for a test drive in a 1967 Chevelle. This one here has a 454 power steering and front disc brakes, aftermarket rev wheels, decent paint job with bucket seats. Check out maplemotors.com. Close to 100 detailed pictures inside out and underneath. You can also get financing and shipping information on that website. If you're new to this channel, hit subscribe. We go for test drives, walk-arounds, and full lot walks. All of our inventory is updated once a week, every Monday. And also hit subscribe. I post videos like this constantly. If you like the music, top right-hand corner, I produce all that. All right, guys, it's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Got to check in the interior out before we take off. Go ahead and place your bets. Do you think this horn works? A little game we like to play on the channel. Dash is looking pretty good. Console is not bolted down. Look at that. Needs to be bolted down. The seat's in pretty good shape. Same with the back seat and the driver's seat. Package tray is a little bit warped, and the headliner is kind of stretched out in places. For the most part, it looks pretty good. Go ahead and start her up. Looking below the dash, looks like two of our gauges are working, our water temperature and our oil pressure. Clock's not working. It's showing 67,000 miles. Very hard to stand behind that. This is not the original motor. The wipers are not working. I could not get them to work. You'll have to work on that. No radio or blower motor on this one. Try the horn. No horn. This is gonna need a few things. All right, let's hit the road and see how she drives. All right, getting ready to take off down the road. Any flaws that I see, I will point out and let you know. That's why I do these videos. The shifter is not in perfect linkage. Like I said, the console's just kind of sitting there. Just waiting on all this traffic to get by. It's towards the end of the day today, so I was squeezing in another Chevelle. I've done 2 other 67 Chevelles, 3 total today. Speedometer's coming up on the dash. Brakes feel pretty good. Kickdown is not hooked up on this one. Kind of punching it, feeling for throttle response there. Steering's nice and tight. Almost as soon as I turn, it turns. Our speedometer's not exactly accurate though. It's bouncing everywhere. It's going from 20 to 40. It just cut off now. Now it's back on. So yeah, the speedometer's iffy. We're gonna get up here off the main road onto the back road, get out of some of this traffic. Turn signal is popping up on the dash. Let me check the other side. Yeah, both sides is working on the blinkers. suspension of this thing feels nice and smooth. We're gonna pull off in this parking lot here. Go ahead and get some outside shots. If you want to see all the equipment I use, look down in the description below. All right, guys, getting ready to pull out of here. Engine temp's right at 200, oil pressure's right at 30, and I have noticed the gas gauges went down just a little bit since we started this video, so I do believe it's working now. We'll head on back to the lot. Is way off now. It's saying we're going 60. We're only doing about 35, 40. This road here's got a decent speed bump in it. You can listen for rattles, shakes, kind of get an idea on suspension the best I can through a video. I'll point it out. We're coming up on it right here. Hardly even noticed it in this car. Nice suspension. A good driving car here. We're gonna pull back into the lot. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hopefully it helped you out. I appreciate it, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed the test drive video. Definitely check out maplemotors.com for financing and shipping information. I got close to 100 detailed pictures, so definitely check that out. Give us a call, 615-822-4444. Be happy to help you out. And if you don't mind, hit that subscribe button. I post videos almost every day. We update that website once a week, so every Monday you can see 10 to 15 new cars up here at Maple Motors. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank y'all for watching. Later, guys.